In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the zoom features on Tradingview to enhance your chart analysis experience. Whether you're testing new strategies or simply monitoring your favorite stocks, being able to adjust the view to suit your needs is crucial. Let's dive right in. When working with charts, sometimes the default view just doesn't cut it. You may find yourself wishing for a better look at those candlestick patterns. To start enlarging those candles on Tradingview, all you need to do is head over to the chart interface. Once you're there, locate the plus icon. This is your zoom in button, allowing you to take a closer look at the data that's important to you. Click on that plus icon and notice how the candles become more prominent. This can give you a better understanding of the market movements by bringing finer details into view. If one click isn't enough, don't worry. You can click the plus icon again. Each click brings the chart closer, helping you focus on specific areas for more precise analysis. When you're examining a particular time frame, you might want to shift your focus to what's happening next. To move your view to the right, simply click on the arrow on the right side of the chart. This will nudge the chart to the left, allowing you to venture further into future price movements. If you find you need to see more, feel free to click the right side arrow once more for additional navigation. Sometimes, though, you'll want to revisit past data. This is where the left side arrow becomes your tool of choice. Clicking on this arrow will move the chart in the opposite direction, uncovering historical data you might have missed earlier. And just like before, if one click doesn't suffice, another click on the left side arrow will give you even more insight into past trends. Now, what if you zoom in too much and need to scale back a bit for a broader view? That's where the minus icon comes into play. This handy tool lets you zoom out to get a wider perspective of the market. Click on the minus icon once to slightly retract the chart's view. If you need an even more zoomed out view to catch the bigger market picture, you can click on the minus icon again. Navigating your charts efficiently in Tradingview isn't just about enlarging or reducing the view, it's about finding that perfect balance. Whether you want to delve into specific details or zoom out for an overall picture, these simple navigation tools are invaluable. Mastering the use of these arrows and icons allows you to control your chart view with precision. That's all for today's guide. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to optimize your Tradingview experience. Happy trading, everyone!